My name is Ryan. I'm 16. I'll go Penn State. We are a thing. I'm named Ryan, and I'm here to find me a coral reef. Is this a coral reef?
A coral reef is actually an ecosystem in which reef-building corals will grow on top of large amounts of rocks.
Is this a coral reef? It's a bunch of rocks, just like what you just said.
No, Ryan. In a coral reef, there is actually a wide variety of colors in the coral themselves. Organisms like the starfish have actually adapted to change color with their environment. Organisms like octopi have actually developed chromatophores that change color with their environment. Coral reefs can actually build themselves on other abiotic features such as sunken ships, and they build themselves into an entire ecosystem off of that.
But, baby, if this isn't an actual coral reef, where can you find one?
Actually, Ryan, a typical coral reef can be found in tropical and subtropical waters, the largest one being the Great Barrier Reef off the coast of Australia. A coral reef also provides shelter for lots of organisms that live in that ecosystem.
An organism?
Yes. Yes, you are.
It's cold.
Ryan, read that piece of paper I gave you.
I mean, coral reefs need the water to be at least 64 degrees Fahrenheit for them to survive. So it's like really hot.
Ryan, before we go any further, we have to hear from a word from our sponsors. Ryan, what are you doing?
I'm taking a bath. And anyway, you said if I want to go coral reef, I could go underwater. So I'm here. Anyway, we got a sponsor.
Do you want a kid-tested, John Green-approved shampoo? Me too! You should try Bozeman's new and improved shampoo in a biodegradable algae bottle for 4 easy payments of $16.99. And you must be 18 years or older to order.
Did you go to the coral reef, Ryan?
Yes.
Can I eat it?
No! Here's just one of many food webs for the Great Barrier Reef. Some of its organisms include marine algae, plankton, krill, seahorse, giant clam, mollusk, clownfish, box jellyfish, red bass, sea snake, whale shark, tiger shark, sea turtle, sea eagle, humpback whale, dugong, and the white-tipped reef shark. Some other flora that isn't included in this food web is marine grass, kelp, and coral.
Holy there's a coral reef! Oh my god! Ah, Bessie! Rest in peace, Bessie. I lost my favorite hat, Bessie. Ah! Hey, baby, Bessie. Rest in peace. I hope you get to be as happy as all those little fellers down in the coral reefs. Because you deserve
Ryan,
it.
many organisms aren't even happy in that coral reef. There are a lot of endangered species in a coral reef, including sea turtles and the actual coral itself.
Why are they dying?
Normally in a coral reef, corals have very vibrant colors, but more recently, due to so much sun exposure from global warming, they're starting to turn white and die. Corals are actually one of the most endangered species in a coral reef ecosystem.
Excuse me? I don't know what bleach is.
Think of bleaching as a really, really bad sunburn.
Ow.
Add water to magnify that really intense light.
Bright light?
Sea turtles actually actually are disappearing for many reasons. A lot of their nests are actually broken into from predators, and the eggs are eaten. Boats, actually, big boats, run over the sea turtles, causing a lot of damage, and sea turtles choke on a lot of plastic that is actually eaten by accident due to the surplus of plastic in our oceans.
What do you think you're doing? You're killing the sea turtles! Stop! You're killing them! What are you doing? What are they doing?
Ryan, you know there's stuff that actually you could be doing to save the sea turtles instead of yelling at those people on that ferry. Go do a beach cleanup, recycle, anything. Just stop yelling at those people. They're just trying to get home.
All clean.
We found a wild, I don't even know what that is.
Guess who I am? I'm gay. I'm gay.
My brother.
Yes.
Bro, it was legit the funniest thing.
I'm named Ryan. I'm 16. I go Penn State. We are Penn State. Hey baby. Hey baby. Hey baby. Hey baby.